Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm just going to be talking about this mold remover that I bought from Amazon, and it's a 1 gallon, I think. Yeah, 1 gallon, and I've never used this one before. I've used another mold remover that I got from TikTok, actually, I think. But yeah, it's been a while, and I do see a lot of mold stains in my bathroom shower. So yeah, I'm just gonna be testing this out. It says a quick spray should be fine, no scrubbing or anything is required. So let's see. It says it should remove in 15 seconds actually, as it promotes here. So let's give it a try, and yeah. I have already poured this much on this spare bottle that I had. So I'm just gonna use this as my, because this one didn't come with the bottle, it just came as a gallon. So yep. Okay, this is the condition of my bathroom. You can see all these molds here, right? And the last time I cleaned, these were bad. And yeah, they're not that bad. It's been actually a year, I think, that I cleaned my bathroom. I mean, the mold. But yeah, so that's the condition. Let me just show you real quick around, and it's very difficult to scrub these areas. I've tried multiple times and it's not working. So I'm gonna work from the top to the bottom. Okay, this is how it looks. Okay. I mean, the top part is not bad at all. It's clean. It's just the area where it starts, this part here. Yeah, so if I see here, I'm just gonna spray it. I haven't worn any mask, hopefully. I'm just gonna be gentle. Might as well just spray everywhere, you know? I do feel like I have to wear a mask. I do know I have some down here as well. I also want to try it here. Okay. Let's see. I think I'm just covering my face because I feel like the chemical was just too much, but I think it did work. Um, yeah, it's been a little over 15 seconds, definitely on this side. And yeah, I can still see some spots here, but I think I missed it. But like I said, these spots are a little difficult, you know. Okay, here's a quick update. As you can see, most of the moles are gone. It was quite bad over there on this area as well. I'm gonna give you a quick close-up and show you guys. So this area definitely, this little two dots here, I tried like applying more and it didn't go. I guess those are the stubborn ones. But when I went back to the video, I did see it was pretty black earlier, and then now it's like a toned down a little bit. I am not definitely like fully satisfied, to be honest. If you see, it's still, you see the stains there. I don't know if it should be working that way, but like I said, it's a pretty difficult spot, so I'm gonna try to maybe scrub it, or yeah, it is quite difficult to get that entire thing off or make it a brand new like these up above here. But yeah, but overall, I mean, I'm quite happy with the product. Not 100% satisfied, I would say, but yeah, on this side, it's good. It's, I mean, let me see this one here. You still, I mean, on the camera it looks pretty dark, but in real it's not that bad. I mean, the stain is still, the mold is still there, right? But it's not that bad. But yeah, let's try to take it off, like you see on this side here. It tried, but it kind of like, I guess the solution just trickled down, or I don't know, I'm not sure. Just have to do some research on how to really I don't know, use a Q-tip or something like that. But overall, I am happy with the product, I would say. Yeah, except for these stubborn ones. I don't know, it just wouldn't come off. I tried. Yeah, it should be working, but I'm not sure. I mean, it's a gallon. I might return it just because I'm not like fully satisfied. But I might keep it, you know. I'll sleep on that. And yeah, but overall, I think you saw the results. If you also have like not that deep mold, then you should give it a try. And yeah, all right, that's about it. We'll come back next time with another video. And yeah, don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed watching this video, or if this video was helpful. And definitely don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you would like to see more of the product reviews or DIY stuff at home, and yeah, all the other good stuff. All right, until then, take care and Happy New Year. Bye.